You are probably aware that for years Kingfisher has had a lot of strong association with things that happen in Goa, especially in the space of sports. We're a homegrown brand, we have our brewery here, so we're very much part of the Goan ethos of everything that happens here. And for years we have been participating and partnering with things that we believe touches the local Goan audiences. I think there is very little that unifies Goa as strongly as their love for sport, especially football. That's one thing that brings all Goan households from across all genres, whether they live in Goa or not, under one banner in their support for their love of football. So it's really nice to see that football in Goa continues to grow, continues to prosper in many ways. And thanks to FC Goa and their strong presence in the ISL and their performance in over the years, I think it shows that the stadium has been full throughout the matches, throughout the tournaments over the years. So I'm very happy to be here to make a little announcement of our participation and partnership with them. We thought the time was right, that over the years we have been doing many things, from Goa Pro League to Voice of Goa to various music events that take place in Goa. But I think this particular association for us was really about giving back to Goans the love that they have given to us as a brand. And over the years, we have enjoyed very dominant presence over here, thanks to the Goans seeing our brand as their own brand. And similarly, they see football and FC Goa as their own team. So this partnership to us was a very natural fit, and we thought the timing was right. This is one time when the tournament is expanding, it's growing bigger, and the popularity has been growing not just in Goa but across the country.